Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome to my channel, Life's a Project, where I like to share my everyday life projects with you. So today I'm out here and I want to transplant my heucheras, also known as coral bells, into this large 26-inch rim self-watering container. It's by Crescent Garden. It has the True Drop self-watering system, which means I can fill up the water reservoir and my plants can wick up the moisture they need to stay happy. And last year when I planted these up, I only had to fill up this container once a month during the spring and the fall during those cooler months, and once a week during the hot summer months. So guys, this container was really a time saver, not having to water my plants every day or several times a week. I'm really happy with this container. So like I mentioned, I did plant up my 3 self-watering containers that I have last year, and I shared those projects in videos. So if you'd like, you can go back and check those out. I do talk about these containers in more detail, and I also will place some Amazon links down in the video description below if you'd like to check those out as well. So guys, here are my heucheras, and you can see they're in desperate need of a haircut. I have 3 in hanging baskets and 1 in this container here up front. And if you remember, these looked so gorgeous last year, so low maintenance. They always had beautiful color and they just mounted up and looked so fluffy. They just looked good all of the time. Now through the winter, you want to leave on their foliage and you'll cut them back in the spring. So I'm about to give them a really nice haircut, cutting off all of this kind of tattered foliage that looks kind of dead, discolored, and brown. Just cut all that off and you'll get to that beautiful growth underneath, that fresh growth, and before you know it, that will grow, fill in, and look gorgeous for you once again, and that color will just last all year long. So you just want to get in here with your pruners. Now you can be selective and just cut off the ones that look really bad, but to me it's best to get in here and just cut all of that old growth off so it comes in nice, pretty, and uniform. So I'm just going to go ahead and get in here after it. So you can see I cut these back pretty good, and that's what you got to do to really get that old growth off so you can get down to this new beautiful growth underneath. And so this will start to fill in pretty quickly, and that new growth will grow and it'll cover up any stems that don't look that great right now. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on getting these out of their containers and into the big self-watering container. I got them all planted in here, and just if you're wondering, this one is called Dolce Wildberry Heuchera. This one is called Mahogany Monster. This one in the back is also Dolce Wildberry. And this one over here is called Black Pearl. Now all of these are proven winners plants and they have performed just fantastic. I'm happy with all of them. Now they don't look like much now, but when they grow and fill in, they are gonna look so beautiful. So now I'm just gonna water everything in over the top with my watering can. Right now in Kentucky, we are still getting pretty cold temperatures at night, possibly freezing temperatures, you just never know. And I wouldn't want to fill up the water reservoir and have freezing temperatures and it mess up the self-watering feature that this container has. So I'm just gonna wait a few more weeks, keep on watering it like this, which is really not very often because we're getting pretty cool temperatures. So probably just weekly if it doesn't rain, and then I'll just fill it up when those temperatures warm, and then it can do most of the work. So guys, it's been a full 19 days since I gave my heucheras a haircut and put them down in this container, and you can see how much they have grown. They are looking great. All of that new growth is coming in. You can see, especially on the black pearl, that green new growth. So guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out when I give you an update on this container later on when it's full and looking gorgeous. So guys, you can also follow me on Instagram. I hope you are having a very blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.